Hello friends, welcome to SMO Vlog. I'm Shahid. Today I want to prepare a fish and chip using my new Signia air fryer, and I will show you all the process and everything right now in this video. So stay with me. Going to basically prepare this fish and chip. For fish, I bought some fish cutlets. It's ready. I just need to bake it in 400 Fahrenheit for 27 minutes. This is the tray for the air fryer. In this tray, I will put these fish cutlets. Then I will start the baking. So guys, basically if you see this, I put one pack of fish cutlets in this pan, and it shouldn't be one at the top of another, and that's it. Now I'm going to put this tray inside the machine and let the machine do its work. This is the power button. I need to put it in 400 Fahrenheit. So this is the temperature. I have to put it in 400 Fahrenheit. That is the max temperature here, and for 27 minutes. For 27 minutes, and that's it. When I press this device will start its work. So after around 13 minutes, I have to take this out and shake the fish cutlets or rotate the fish cutlets just once. It will help the fish cutlet to cook properly. And that's it guys, let's wait for next 13 minutes. Now it is around 12 minutes left to finish our 27 minutes. Now I'm going to pull this tray out, and then I will rotate those fish cutlets, and then I will put it back again. Wow, nice smell is coming. So that's it guys. Now I will put it back. When you put it back, this will start automatic. I don't need to press anything. So now I will wait next 11 minutes. So guys, as I am making fish and chip today, now my fish cutlets are cooking. By this time I have to prepare the chips. So here, this is few chopped potatoes. I took 4 potatoes and chopped it like regular chip. I need to season these chips with only salt and some oil. I will put these chips for around 5 to 10 minutes. My 27 minutes is over. Now I'm going to open the tray and take out those fish cutlets. Wow. I'm going to add this. So at this point I'm adding all the potatoes here in this tray, and I'm putting it inside again. 400 Fahrenheit, and I will put around 12 minutes. That's it, and start. After around 7 minutes, I need to take those chips out, shake them, and put the tray back again. So guys, this is the time to give this thing a shake. Let's open it. So these are my fry. see. Right. It says we have 1 more minute, so basically I put for 12 minutes. I think I need to add some more time. So the total time it's mentioned here is 16 minutes. So I can add maybe 4 minutes more. Alright, total 16 minutes is done. Now I'm going to open the tray and transfer those French fries into my serving dish. These are the fries. This is the wonderful and tasty fish and chip, totally homemade. So this is made in the new Insignia air fryer. Very easily you can cook this fish and chip. So that's all guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.